This particular investment location is 15 minutes from Victoria Island. How would you feel if you stumbled upon a precious piece of gem or precious stone? How would you feel? What would be your reaction? Well, see, today, this investment piece that I'm about to walk you through is nothing short of an investment gem. This particular spot where I'm standing, what I'm about to introduce to you, is going to be 15 minutes from Victoria Island upon completion of the coastal road. And now I present to you Gemstone beachfront estate. Now, I don't honestly think that there's any better way to live than living by the beachside. Imagine waking up every morning to the fresh, lush sounds of the beach waves just splashing back and forth. It's literally, this investment shares boundary with Amen Estates. To give you more context, it's a 7-minute drive from the Lekki Free Trade Zone. You're very familiar with the Lekki Free Trade Zone and all the commercial activities that is going to be happening there. It's a 10-minute drive from Dangote Refinery and a mere 15-minute drive from the international airport that's being proposed. The idea literally is to ensure that you get to enjoy the most scenic, classy, tranquil living right in the heart of all the development that's happening around you. So you get a basketball court, you get a children's play area, perimeter fencing, of course, 24-hour power, 24-hour security, tight security that inspires confidence every day you live on Gemstone Beach Estate. We've got Lagos. Don't slack, guys. Call the numbers right now. Pick up the phone right now. Don't look at me. Pick up the phone right now. Now let's go. Let's go.